I knew the ending before they did. That did not give me power, it gave me guilt. Remember this shape. In this story, the danger starts long before the ship looks broken.
2 hours earlier, nobody on that deck believed the ocean was already waiting.
April 14th, 1912, North Atlantic. Titanic is still moving, still bright, still trusted. Those boats are the real clock. There are fewer seats than lives on this ship. This is why they trusted her. Titanic does not look fragile. She looks permanent. Upstairs, Titanic feels like a palace. Down here, survival will depend on finding the way out.
I cannot save a ship. Maybe I can save a mother and her boy.
This is the disaster before the iceberg. Too many people. Not enough boat space. Ice warnings are moving through this ship. The question is, who treats them as urgent?
A warning is only useful if someone powerful believes it in time.
Look at that horizon. Nothing screams danger. That is why this night is so dangerous.
They trust the lights, the music, the sighs. I'm asking them to trust a stranger.
Titanic can survive some flooding. Not a long wound across too many compartments.
If the compartments fail, the lifeboat math becomes the real verdict.
They are not ignoring danger. They simply have not been given a reason to believe in it. This is the last normal minute they will ever get. There. That tiny change is the beginning of the end. It sounds too small to be fatal, why the delay starts now. Nobody is panicking because the ship still feels alive. That feeling is lying. Here is the proof nobody upstairs can feel yet. The ocean is already inside.
Please stay calm and wait for instructions.
Calm is useful until it keeps people below a flooding ship.
The ship has hours. The peoples who are below do not.
Below, the ocean is entering. Up here, the disaster still looks like a rumor. This staircase is not luxury anymore. It is a path to the boats.
Now the lifeboats matter.
Not as equipment, as the only way off. There is empty space in that boat. Once it lowers, that space is gone forever. To them, the tiny boat looks dangerous. The giant ship still looks safe. Fill it now! The ship will not give those empty seats a second chance. I know what happens next. That is exactly why no one believes me. When everyone needs the same few exits. No, not now. If this dies, I leave the same way everyone else does. Margaret, take Thomas's hand. The ship is flooding below us. We go up now. You do not have to believe me. Believe the water under your feet. Leave the bags. A lifeboat cannot wait for luggage.
I can't save them, but at least I'll try to save the mother and her child.
This is not one locked gate. It is rules, corridors, and time working against them.
Use the proper passage and wait your turn.
Listen behind us. That sound is not confusion. It is flooding getting closer. History can judge the rule later. Right now, the child moves. Thomas, look at me. If you lose my hand, you lose the route. The boats are above us. So is the only chance this ship has left. One step at a time. Up is not comfort now, up is survival. Thomas, count the steps with me. Counting means you keep moving. This is when confusion turns dangerous. People start choosing bags over seconds. Feel that tilt? The ship is no longer carrying us evenly. Hear the ropes? That means boats are still leaving. We are not too late yet. Hold my coat. If the crowd pulls, the line does not break. No clean exit. Good. Then I earn this like everyone else. Left passage. It reaches open deck faster than the main stair.
The water is rising too fast, but I'm not stopping now.
We made the deck. That is not safety yet. It is the last doorway to it. Now everyone can see it. That means everyone wants the same boat. There! Not any boat! That boat! That boat! Before the ropes move! Take the child first. He does not understand history. He just needs mourning.
Lower away!
Whatever happens now, stay together. Wait! No, no! I am still here!
I have no choice. I have to jump. No! Don't go! I'm still here!
I have you! I cannot hold the rope! I am off the ship. That should feel like winning. It does not. Now you understand the first shot. I got out. Titanic did not. The lifeboat saved their bodies. It did not save them from seeing this. The ship is gone. The cold is still here. Rescue is still a question. 2 people are breathing because I broke a rule. That still does not feel like enough. Time log. The iceberg, flooding, lifeboat shortage, and Carpathia rescue were real. Maya was not. The past is louder than textbooks. And tonight, it sounded like people waiting for morning.